Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and I am a member of the Facebook group called Craft Creations, and I participated in a swap, which was the red, white, and blue flipbook swap, and my person that I swapped with was Jennie Petro, and her YouTube channel is Craft Creations, and I will link to that there, and I just wanted to open up this mail and see what all that I sent. So she sent me a card. I'll read that later. And let's see. Alrighty. Oh, how cute is that? Okay, so she made me this little girl on the cover. And it's tied up with some string. So let me untie that. Oh, goodness. I think if I had just done this first, I could have probably gotten it. Okay, it's just string. All right, it says, hello, darling. All right, so I open it up like that. Oh, that's cute. And that's cute. Always an adventure every day. All right, flip it open. And it flips open both directions. Okay, so in here, let's see what kind of goodies I got. Oh, wow. So I got some hexagons and that says style. That's really pretty. Some pretty cards. Oh, look at this intricate doily. Let's see if you can see that. It's a girl in a frame. And some more little cards. Oh, look at these little girls. Oh, those are cute. So she made those for me. Oh, little die cuts. That's awesome. Okay. And let's see what else we have. So, oh, this one flips up and tells me a little bit about the things that she likes under there. That's very nice. All right. This one. There's a few things tucked in here. Oh, wow. Oh, she went all out. Thank you, Jennie. Oh, another little girl. That's cute. And a unicorn and another girl. I don't have very many girl things, so this is really neat to get some of these things. Flip it down. Got some more cute little girls that she's made for me. And some little sayings, some little cards. And more sayings. Oh, this is so nice. All right, this pocket, and oh, it's very full. All right, so some little girls on white. I could color those myself. That's awesome. Some more cards. Oh, and look, some little mini girls. Let's see. Having just boys of my own, I don't have very many girly things. Oh, they're like wearing little kimonos and things, like little Japanese girls. Oh, that is really cute. Oh, that is so sweet. And she made those for me. And get those back in there. There's the back. Oh, Handmade with Love by Jennie Craft Creations. Oh, that is so sweet and so nice. Thank you so much, Jennie, and thank y'all for watching. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe and hit that notifications bell. And until next time, have a great day, crafting away.